Good morning, reporting live. Hello, my name is Nikki Novoselsky and I am a traveling mindset mentor here to give you travel tips and mindset tips to help optimize your life and find more joy and feel fully satisfied and fulfilled. Today I am in Hua Lam Phong station, train station, I hope I'm saying that right, here in Bangkok, Thailand, and we're gonna head 13 hours north to Chiang Mai, which I am so excited about. I've been wanting to go to Chiang Mai for like 2 years now, and I cannot wait. I have no idea what this train's going to entail. I've heard there's very picturesque views and it's beautiful. Otherwise, you're coming along for the ride with me and we have no idea what to expect, so I'm going to take you along and we're going to find out together. You ready? Let's go for a long train ride. First things first, I was staying in Sukhumvit in Bangkok and I needed to figure out a way during rush hour traffic to get to Hua Lam Phong. I booked my ticket in advance, so you can do that too, or you can buy it here at the station. But I was lugging my big old suitcase so far in the heat because no taxi would pick me up and drive me to the station because there was so much traffic. So I walked about 15 minutes with my big stuff and pretty heavy. And now we took the MRT to Hua Lam Phong station. So there's many different ways that you can get here. Hopefully it will be easier for you than it was for me. We're sweating still, but we build up some strength. We got some exercise in. That's the thing of travel. Sometimes things don't go to plan, but you just roll with the punches. So we're rolling. We are definitely rolling with the punches. We made it to the station. And because I have my ticket, now I'm just waiting. We got lots of time. My train is at 7:35 p.m. and it'll be about 13 hours. So it'll get me to Chiang Mai station at around 8 a.m. So we're ready for an overnight. I don't know though, because I'm pretty sweaty and who knows if I'll be able to shower. At least you can't smell me through the camera. That's good. So I booked the first class sleeper train to Bangkok, from Bangkok to Chiang Mai, and it was about 1,400 baht. And this is going to be my accommodation for the night and also my transportation. So we're combining it all in one. Not sure if there's going to be food on the train. We're going to just see how it all goes. So first class, I bought my tickets on, I don't even know what website. I can link the website below. I know it was like a Thai website that was legit, but I got the bus ticket or the train ticket and I was a little confused if it was legit or not, but I got here, made it here, and they told me it is. So I can link that below. Otherwise you can buy it here. It's good to maybe have it in advance because I know that the first class was selling out. So this was one of the last tickets for the 7:30 train for first class. Second class is also cool. I'll give you a little rundown of that too when we're on the train. And yeah, we're gonna head on out to Chiang Mai. We're going and then we're gonna see how it goes. Bye. So I went to buy some snacks because we're not sure if there's gonna be snacks on the train, and 13 hours without food is gonna make your girl hangry. And we don't want a hangry Nikki. So we got some coconut snacks. This was like 55 baht, and we love coconut. We're hoping that there's more substantial food on the train. I will let you know, but if not, this is gonna have to hold us over for the next 13 hours. We're gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Okay, y'all, we made it on the train, and I'm gonna be honest, a little bit smaller than I expected. My suitcase had a little bit of trouble coming onto the train. This thing is crazy to lug around. We might have to get rid of some stuff. That's okay. If you are coming, really be mindful. There's lots of people with backpacks, and that seems to be the thing. The suitcase is lovely. It's got my whole life. I'm not just a backpacker. I literally feel like I'm just a nomad moving my life place to place. It's small here, kind of not what I expected, so I'm feeling a little bit deflated, but I think once this gets moving and I kind of get the lay of everything, these next 13 hours will be okay. I don't really see that there's outlets, so we're gonna try and find some outlets so that I can do a little bit of work. And then I don't really see that there's food either, but luckily a nice man came on and was selling his little eggs and rice and chicken. So we're gonna eat that and hope we're good. Whew, I'm a little out of it, but these next 13 hours will be good. Stick with me. We're losing steam, but we'll rest and it'll all be good. Big breath. That's the thing about traveling sometimes. Sometimes you feel a little bit low, and that's okay. Just breathe through it. Okay. Oh my gosh, seriously, look at all my stuff. This is crazy. It doesn't look like anyone's in the other room. It seems like I might get two to myself, so this is good. So this is how big it is. Ooh, nothing fancy, but that's okay. She's still clean. And then there's all my stuff. I also don't see a bathroom, so this is going to be interesting. I did check out second class. It feels so weird to say second class. I'm in first class, so this is what first class looks like. And second class, it's just mostly seats, and then above there's some like bedding that they'll turn into beds later. So second class is also an option. I knew that if I was going 13 hours, I definitely wanted to pay for first class. It was only 1,400 baht. Only. Still, you know, it's something. But we're getting accommodation and transportation all in one. But yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. Not sure about the bathroom sitch, but we're getting a little hungry, so we're gonna eat that dinner that nice man brought me before it goes a little bit bad. Okay, I'm eating my train dinner. It's like a TV dinner. Hopefully this will be good. Like, no one's greeted me. Like, I have no idea. I know I'm on the right train because someone helped me get on here, but I'm just kind of like, I'm like trying to orient myself. I have no idea what I'm doing. But we're just gonna eat it all. We're just gonna eat. Everyone's got like a partner, friend that they're with. This is solo travel life sometimes. This is it, guys. We're doing the best we can with the resources we have. Okay, it's actually really good. That man was a saving grace. I don't know about other trains, but I'm pretty sure there's not food on there. Maybe the newer one has a diner. I had no idea if I was booking the newer one or not. So just be sure, maybe bring snacks with you. That's a really good option. Or get something before you come on. I tried to do that with my coconut, but this is more sustainable. It was really good. Plus that man, we're so appreciative. It looks like this is the outlet, and these lights are very bright. I don't know if I will be able to sleep, but that is a-okay, I guess. We're just doing the best we can here. Curtains, padding. Hopefully we'll get some good views. Okay, so I changed into comfy clothes and the guy just came around to make the beds, and I'm actually on the upper bed, and I'm actually feeling a little bit better because he answered a lot of my questions. I was worried that these fluorescent lights weren't going to turn off. I've heard that, but he showed me that they do, which is great. And we have an outlet for charging phones and computers and things. And I'm also sharing this small little quarters with someone at the next stop. So they're probably gonna kill me with all the stuff that I have. But it's fine. It's fine. We're all fine. Everything's fine. Just kidding. We're actually fine. So we made the bed. I'll be sleeping up here. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a little blanket. Perfect. And then there's a little lamp there. They do have Western toilets, but they also have the squat one and somewhere else. Of course, the bum gun, toilet paper, little sink. Woo! Okay, we're doing it. We're doing it. Just pee in here. Good morning, reporting live at about 6 a.m. We have 2 more hours here on the train. I got maybe not that many hours of sleep. If you need a good bed, this probably isn't for you. It's really hard to get a good night's sleep, but we're doing it. This is totally fine for one night, but I can't imagine doing this often, that's for sure. Maybe I'm a princess now and I need a good mattress and the ability to wash my face in some room. I mean, I could have washed my face, but I didn't really feel like it in the sink. So, it's hostel life kind of, but you're on a moving train and in a very small room. It's fine. We did it. We did it for one night. But I probably won't be doing this often. That is for sure. So I'm in second class and it looks pretty similar. Like these chairs pull out into a bed, and instead of having a private room, you're just out in the open with everyone. But this actually seems like a really great option as well. Very similar to first class. So if you're trying to save a little bit of money, second class also works too. And you can see the view. Right now it's a little bit rainy, but there's a lot of greenery. Another thing to note, it is so cold. I don't know why it's freezing, but I'm wearing, I had to put on another layer and I'm still cold because they give you a really thin blanket. So make sure you pack the right stuff and that you're ready for the cold. You're ready to take off your makeup or do whatever you need to do. You have your charger, you have some activities, you have people have a neck rest. So really be prepared. I was not really prepared and suffered accordingly, but that's okay. We've learned our lesson. Okay, so I looked around and there are no food carts, but there is someone outside the door just walking up and down the aisles with some food and water in the morning. So that's really nice. Bring snacks, water, clothing that will keep you warm, and make things accessible that you might need, like face wash, toothbrush, charger, etc. Those are my tips. How do you say how much?
20 บาท
How lai? How lai?
Yes.
How lai?
เท่าไหร่คะ
How lai ka?
20 บาทค่ะ It's pork.
Oh, pork. Okay. Cool.
Time for you in Chiang Mai.
Yes, my first time in Chiang Mai.
Welcome to Chiang Mai, very nice city.
Thank you, I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we made it to Chiang Mai. It's rainy here, hence the hair, but we made it nonetheless after 13 hours on that train. I'm still wearing last night's makeup because I didn't feel like washing my face, so I'm so excited for a hot shower, a nice bed, and to wash my face and do the routine. Maybe I'm a princess because I love my facial routine, and doing that for one night was totally fine, but I did talk to the really sweet and lovely Thai woman in my room, and she said that the bottom is actually better. The bed on the top kind of hurt my back, so make sure you get the bottom. And also, if you really need a comfortable bed, this might not be for you, and you might just want to fly and take the easy route. Apparently people talked about the scenic views, which they were nice, but it was kind of rainy, so it wasn't crazy awesome views. And yeah, there's not like a food cart. They give you some water. They gave 1 bottle of water for each person on there. And yeah, so you can book online and just be prepared for how cold it is. Dress appropriately, bring like blankets or a pillow, or I mean, I didn't have either of those. They give you a really thin blanket, so I just put on layers upon layers. And There's only one outlet to share between two people. I think it would be so fun if you went with a friend or like you can hang out in that little room. But for me to be alone and like trying to figure that out and like sleeping on and off, it wasn't my favorite experience. Sorry, but you know, I did it. I lived to tell the tale, and now I'm beautiful, rainy Chiang Mai. The taxi driver was so cute and amazing. What a great welcome in. He was so sweet. And everyone seems so nice here. And I have a really good feeling about Chiang Mai, and I cannot wait to explore. So I'm happy to have taken the overnight train, but I'm even happier to take a hot shower and hang out in this bed. So I hope my experience helped you. You do not have to be a martyr and take the train. You can definitely take a plane. But if you want to take the train, more power to you. It really isn't so bad. It wasn't my most enjoyable experience, but I'll give it a 5 out of 10. If you've taken the train, definitely comment below, and I'd love to connect with you. Thank you so much. If you made it this far in the video, I love you. And if you want to give this video a like, if you want to comment below so I can connect with you, and if you want to subscribe for more travel and mindset adventures, definitely hit that bell notification, be notified of more videos. Thanks again, and I will see you on future videos. Much love. We're going to go check out Chiang Mai together, so you don't want to miss it. Bye.